God is saying to you today, my beloved child, I will rebuild you. In Amos 9:11, it says, in that day I will raise up the booth of David that is fallen and repair its breaches, and raise up its ruins and rebuild it as in the days of old. I know you're tired of starting over, tired of rebuilding, restarting, recovering. But hear me, every time you rise again, you are rising stronger. You're not going in circles, you are growing through cycles. This time it's not like before. This time you're rising with wisdom, resilience, and clarity. I am not just restoring what you lost, I am multiplying what's ahead. Don't let past failures convince you that you're failing now. You're in a rebuilding season, and what I'm helping you build cannot be shaken. Trust me, my child, your comeback will be greater than the setback. This restart isn't a repeat, it's a rise. I am building something better. If you receive this message, comment Amen. May God bless you.